Hello and welcome back to Newsroom Nigeria. This is where we give you hot, fresh, and sizzling news all day long. If this is your first time here or you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button down below. Also give this video a massive thumbs up. Don't forget to also leave your opinions in the comments section below. We are on all social media platforms, so please help support us by following us and subscribing: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube as well. A federal high court in Abuja has ordered the release of Bashar Adija, a politician and businessman who was allegedly detained on accusations of terrorism. In a ruling delivered on Tuesday, Justice Emeka Nwete deemed the raid on Adejia's residence, his subsequent warrantless arrest and detention as illegal, constituting a violation of his fundamental human rights. Newsroom Nigeria gathered that the judge mandated Adeja's unconditional release and issued a perpetual injunction barring the Inspector General of Police (IGP) Kayode Egbetokun and his agents from further unlawful arrests or detentions involving Adeja. Additionally, the court imposed a 10 million naira fine on the IGP for the violation of Adeja's rights. Adeja was arrested in August 2024 by the Force Intelligence Department Intelligence Response Team (FIDIRT) over allegations of treason and subversion against the state. Previously, Adeja served as a special advisor on special duties to Bello Matawalle'S, the former governor of Zamfara State, through an originating motion marked FHC ABJCS 1235/2024. Adeja's lawyer, Mahmood Magaji, sued the IGP, Matawalle'S, the Department of State Services (DSS), the Chief of Naval Staff, the Chief of Defense Staff, the Defense Intelligence Agency (DIA), and the Chief of Defense Staff, claiming 9 reliefs. These included a declaration that Adeja's arrest and detention were politically motivated, unconstitutional, and an infringement on his rights. Adeja also sought 500 million naira in damages. According to an affidavit filed by his younger brother, Abubakar Adeja, a businessman and former advisor to Matawalle'S, currently serves as a technical advisor to Dauda Lawal, the current Zamfara governor. However, Governor Lawal refuted this claim. Abubakar alleged that the arrest was politically motivated, stemming from a fallout between Adeja and Matawalle'S following Matawalle's unsuccessful re-election bid in 2023. Matawalle'S all along has been accused of, involvement in terrorism acts, treason, and all of that. But I do not think that the Nigerian police has ever investigated this issue. In fact, they have not said anything about this, but yet they went ahead to arrest his aide. Please, if his aide is involved or someone close with him who has worked with him closely before, if he's involved in terrorism acts, does that not mean that Bello Matawalle'S is also involved in terrorism acts as well? Saying that he works for Bello Matawalle'S? Shouldn't that be the logical conclusion? If you had arrested this man, why haven't you arrested Bello Matawalle'S all this while that there have been allegations against him concerning terrorism involvement? Well, let's move on. Abubakar accused Matawalle'S of orchestrating Adeja's detention to damage his reputation. He further detailed how Adeja's home was raided without a warrant and no inventory was provided for items seized. Efforts to secure administrative bail were also denied by the FIDIRT. In their counter affidavit, Matawalle'S and the other respondents, except the IGP, denied the allegations, dismissing them as baseless. They argue that NAIJA failed to provide substantive evidence to support his claims and urge the court to dismiss the case. Justice Omotosho found no direct evidence linking Matawalle'S to the arrest or detention. However, the court held that the IGP failed to challenge the claims against him, and under legal principle, unchallenged evidence is considered valid. Omotosho emphasized that while security agencies have the mandate to investigate and prosecute, they must adhere to due process and respect human rights. What are your thoughts? Let's have them in the comments section below. If it wasn't a kangaroo arrest, or if it was not politically motivated, why will you go and arrest somebody without a warrant? Why will you even go and raid their house without a warrant? And on the other hand, again, fining the IGP 50 million naira. What do you all think? Do you think that that is right? Don't you think that the Nigerian police has a right, to investigate? Or just the difference is just that our Nigerian police are very quick. They are very quick to arrest without actually, doing their due diligence, painstakingly investigate before arresting. But all they want to do is arrest. They do not even want to investigate. They do not even want to monitor and follow the person for a while to see if the allegations are true. All they want to do is just arrest and search. That is all. That is their procedural way of doing their own investigation. If they had monitored this said man for a while, followed him, not letting him know that they are even on his tail, they would have gotten more substantial evidence, to even present to the court to say that this man is actually, he did this. We even took photographs. When you have photographs, you have caught him red-handed. It will be very difficult to deny. Allegations would not be denied easily. When you have photo proof, it will be shown to the judge. Are you this person? That way, there is no backing out. There is no hiding spot for him. He knows that he has been caught. Before we go, my people, let's just take a look at some of the reactions we got online. We have a comment from Happy Boy. It says, "What is wrong with the Nigerian judiciary? Oh my God. So it should not be investigated. I hate everything concerning the Nigerian judiciary." That is what I just finished, talking about. Is the judge trying to say that it shouldn't have been investigated? Or they are trying to say that the way and manner in which the investigation was carried out is wrong? If it was actually that the way and manner in which the investigation was carried out is wrong, with no warrant and all of that, I do not think that the 20 million naira fine should be given to the IGP. But I'm showing this to you all. What do you all think? Subscribe to this channel, guys, if you haven't already done that. I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.